If you've got cloudy, foggy headlights just like these, you can restore them so they look brand new again without completely replacing them. Not only is it going to look heaps better, it's also going to mean you get a lot more light output when you're driving at night. Now you can just polish these up and they're going to look pretty good, but it's only going to last a couple of weeks without putting a proper UV sealant on it, which is why it's best to get a restoration kit. There's lots of these kits available, but after plenty of research, I've picked the kit from SYLVANIA based on reviews and what's included in the box. In the kit, you get a surface activator, 3 different grades of sandpaper, a clarifying compound, a UV clear coat. You also get a couple of towels, a glove, and some instructions. So starting with clean and dry headlights, I'm first going to mask off around the headlights to protect the paint. Next, I'm going to apply the surface activator. And I'm going to let that sit on there for about 30 seconds. It's going to remove any of the yellow staining and also help break down any of the original UV compound. You can see that's made a massive difference already. Now I'm going to wash it off with some water and a clean cloth. And you can see on that cloth what's come off the lens. Next, I'm going to wet sand the lens using water and starting with the 400 grit sandpaper. I've now got this smooth and it's a uniform hazy color all over, so I can now move up to the 1000 grit, wet sanding that for about 5 minutes. And finally, I can move up to the 2000 grit sandpaper, wet sanding this for about 5 minutes as well. I now want to use about half the clarifying compound and apply this to a wet headlight. I'm going to rub this in for about 5 minutes as well. I can now rinse the headlight off and thoroughly dry it. Reapply surface activator and let that sit for another 30 seconds. Wash that off. Take all this tape off. Make sure it's completely dry. And then lastly, with the blue towel, I can apply the UV clear coat. So that is the restoration process complete. That UV coating is going to take about an hour before you can touch it and about 4 to 6 hours to completely cure. So can't drive the car in that time. And normally you would do both headlights at the same time. So you're applying that UV treatment at the same time. But I wanted to be able to show the difference between a completely finished headlight versus the one that hasn't been treated at all. And the difference is massive. It's a huge improvement over what it was.